Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today, I am hooking you up with an absolute game changer. Imagine having an amazing new app on your streaming device that lets you watch brand new movies and TV shows completely free. No subscriptions, no hidden fees, just pure entertainment. Sounds awesome, right? Well, you are in luck because I have a quick step-by-step installation guide. That takes just a few minutes. I am going to show you exactly how to unlock this content on your screen today. You are watching TechVibes, your go-to spot for the absolute best streaming updates. Before we dive into these crazy codes, you need to make sure your device is fully protected. To run any of these side-loaded apps smoothly without your internet provider slowing you down, you definitely need to use NordVPN. It is a total no-brainer for keeping your streaming safe and private. I left the official installation link right down in the description and the pinned comments below. So grab that deal right now. Alright, let's get straight to the solution. Today, we are breaking down the ultimate showdown between the two biggest side-loading champions on the market. Here is the clear step-by-step advanced level breakdown comparing Unlinked and Downloader to see which platform truly wins the crown this year. Step 1 is looking at the core installation process. Downloader is an absolute breeze because you can grab it directly from the official Amazon App Store or Google Play Store with zero hassle. Unlinked, on the other hand, cannot be found in official stores. You actually have to use Downloader first just to get Unlinked onto your system, giving Downloader the immediate upper hand for beginners. Step 2 is comparing how you find and access your target files. Downloader works just like a standard web browser where you type in a direct URL or a short numeric code to fetch an individual file. Unlinked operates on a completely different system of custom store codes that open up entire massive third-party app libraries all at once. Step 3 is assessing user interface and navigation efficiency. Downloader is incredibly straightforward but requires you to download one single file at a time, which can feel a bit repetitive. Unlinked gives you a beautiful, centralized dashboard where you can browse dozens of apps inside a single store, making it super snappy for setting up a device from scratch. Step 4 is examining store longevity and deadlink issues. Downloader codes are fantastic, but creators constantly change them, meaning numbers that worked yesterday might give you a nasty error message today. Unlinked stores tend to be maintained much better by the community, meaning your favorite libraries stay active and updated for much longer periods. Step 5 is checking out the security and privacy protocols of both tools. Downloader gives you raw, unfiltered access to the entire public internet, which means you need to be very careful about what links you click. Unlinked uses private tokens and occasionally encrypted PIN numbers, creating a slightly safer environment for browsing community configurations. Step 6 is evaluating download speeds and server reliability. Downloader connects you directly to the host server of the file creator, which means your speed depends entirely on their website bandwidth. Unlinked channels files through specialized library structures that can sometimes throttle your connection if thousands of users are browsing the store simultaneously. Step 7 is the final verdict on device storage management. Downloader automatically prompts you to delete the installer file right after you set up an app, which keeps your internal storage clean. Unlinked keeps you inside its digital store interface, meaning you have to manually keep an eye on your device space so your streaming stick does not slow down. Now for your exclusive bonus tip. If you want the ultimate streaming setup, you should never choose just one tool. Use Downloader as your primary gateway to install a premium web browser and the Unlinked app framework itself. If you ever experience slow downloads inside either app, or if your high-definition movies keep buffering, try changing your router settings from a standard connection to the faster 5 GHz band instead of the older 2.4 GHz band. Also, manually changing your device network settings to use the public DNS 8.8.8.8 will instantly stabilize your stream. If you are plugging your device directly into an uncompressed media receiver, make sure you upgrade your old cable to a certified HDMI 2.1 cable to ensure your audio and 4K video signals do not drop out. Drop a comment right down below if you face any difficulty with these setups. I monitor the comment section closely and I will reply within 1 hour to help you solve it. If this video helped you out today, please smash that like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel TechVibes for more daily tech fixes. You have got this setup totally handled, and I will see you guys in the very next video.